What's up guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jeremy and today I have a very short and sweet video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable or disable the amber daytime running lights on your 2015 plus Dodge Challenger. Now this sort of thing isn't typically what I would make a video for, but I've seen some comments in my videos and also like on my Instagram posts and even some of the Challenger groups that I'm in on Facebook, and people have been asking, how do you turn them on? How do you turn them off? So I figured I would just make a video to let everybody know. So hopefully this video is helpful, and here we go. All right, so first things first, foot on the brake, go ahead and start up the car. I love those cold starts. All right, so now let me show you guys over here. Now I apologize for the car being a little dirty. This hurricane coming in, Hurricane Hannah, and my knee injury, I really haven't been able to clean the car that well, but those are the amber running lights that I'm talking about. All right, now that we're back in the car, you want to come over here to your uConnect. Now you want to go to settings, and then you want to go down. There's going to be one that says lights. You want to hit that one. And then right here it says daytime running lights, and I have mine checked. So that's why I have the amber lights on. Now if you don't want them on, you want to disable them, you'll just uncheck it. And then if we go back to the outside, you will now notice that those orange or amber daytime running lights are off. Now it's the same thing if you want to turn them on. You know, if you're just on any other tab on your uConnect, just go to settings, go down, go to lights, daytime running lights. Now that they're unchecked, if you want to turn them on, you will just check them and they will be back on. Now another thing to note when it comes to these daytime running lights is that if you engage your parking brake, whenever you are driving the car or your parking brake is not engaged, your amber running lights will be on. But whenever you park your car and you engage the parking brake, your running lights will be off. Let me just show that to you. Now again, the parking brake is engaged in the car and the running lights are not on. But if I was to disengage the parking brake, the amber lights will turn on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know by smashing the thumbs up button, and also be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. If you want to stay connected with me on social media, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links to all those will be in the description down below. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.